and let's get on to the payment step. So there's two ways to sign up with Bears Blooms. If somebody's bought you a gift code, you can go in here and you can put the gift code in here for as many boxes as were purchased for you, and you don't need a credit card or anything like that. You would just agree to our terms of use and hit finish. If you'd like to receive information, we don't send a lot of emails, and we don't send your email address to any other companies. So this is just for internal news, stuff like that. So for this tutorial, for this run through the sign up, we're going to sign up with a credit card. So a coupon code is not the same as a gift code. A coupon code is something, if you ever see us at an event or anything like that and we're giving out codes, then it's almost certainly going to be a coupon code. The other thing that's a coupon code is if you have a refer a friend code, that you've had a friend refer the service to you and they're like, hey, sign up with my code. In my case, I do have one of those codes. One of my friends, Parker, told me to sign up for this service. So I'm going to go along here and put in that code, Parker96, and then my next two boxes will be half price, and so will Parker, who referred me to the service. So that's just kind of how we kind of give back both to the referrer of the service as well as incoming customers. So here we'll go and put our name for our credit card, and I'll just throw in a test credit card here and a postal code. And then agree to the terms of service. I'd like to receive special offers and promotions. And that's it.